Welcome everyone to today's vlog. Now it's 1:15 in the afternoon. You can see that the sun is shining very brightly and it is a very good atmosphere for studying, even though there is a little bit of sleepiness after having lunch. So now I am thinking about studying modern Indian history from the Spectrum book. Yesterday I had got the latest edition, that is the 2022 edition. Now if you know that if you have gone through the previous year's syllabus, at least 5 to 6 questions on various diversities are for sure in the prelims examination, as well as it is important in the GS paper 1. The areas from where question comes is like events, various social, political events, cultural events. Now personalities also, like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, then moderates, extremists. All those questions are very much important. Also there were few questions on acts in 2017 paper and 2019 paper in prelims, round table conferences and various other conferences on India, like which were there during the colonial period. Now various groups, like as I said, the extremists, the moderates, these are the question which comes in the match of the following. Also various movements like peasants movements, it was there in like 2018 paper and it is a repeat. So it was at the end of 5 p.m. I was over with my modern Indian history. So now it is the evening time and I am thinking about studying on geography. So now I had studied before, but again I wanted to study because prelims is near. So class 11th India physical environment, this is what the topic or the book which I had thought I would read, and the chapter is the structure and physiography of India. Now this chapter consists of various geological regions of India, like the peninsular India, Himalayan peninsula, then Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra. Then there are various topics on Himalayas, like Western Himalayas, Northeastern Himalayas, then North-South Himalayas, then various peninsula, that is majorly the southern peninsula. Now peninsular question is very rare nowadays, but if you see the past year papers, it was a very a very favorite topic of the examiners. Now various mountains, like your Himalayan mountains, then various Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, all these topics are there in this, the Shivaliks. Now on the water bodies are also there in this chapter, like your lakes, various rivers, like your Indus River, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj. All these things are there in this chapter. Now regarding this other topics, you can also find topics on deserts, that is which is there in the Gujarat and Rajasthan belt, various plains, northern plains, then and other central highlands, all those things are there. Now after reading, it is very much important for us to make the notes, otherwise we will forget, and if we make notes, then it will be like we will remember it for a longer period of time. Now I make notes in different diversities, which includes normal like sentences or phrases, then your flow charts, as well as mapping is also important when you are doing geography. Without mapping, it is of no use. Now make your mapping as such that you can revise it after, because there is no point in making rough mapping, because it can be used just before the day of examination to revise. So you can find at least 2 to 3 questions which are repeatedly being asked nowadays since 2017. So this was all about today's vlog. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and also you can watch 2 more vlogs which I have put on earlier. Thank you so much.